Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's one I have this Honda Civic. This is a 2017 and I'm just going to show you the location of the fuses. I'm also going to show just what the fuses, the fuse list here in the manual. So if you have any questions you can ask me, but just remember I won't know by heart what each fuse does. So we have fuses here in the engine compartment. So this is the primary engine compartment fuse box, this one here, and it shows you the fuse number here, and also it shows you we're also going to find some relays probably in these fuse boxes. And then you have a list here of what each fuse is for, and also the rating, the amp rating. So you can have a look at that. That's the number there, number 1, 2, and so on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you need to find a particular fuse and you haven't got this manual, then have a look at the video. But I won't be having the car for long, so I won't really know what each fuse is for, so just check the video out. And also in the engine bay there's a secondary engine compartment fuse, and that holds a fuse which is circuit protected, is the battery, and the amps is 100 or 150, so it just depends. It says here petrol models except the 2-liter engine, and or diesel models and 2-liter petrol engine models will have a 150 amp. So if we have a look at those fuse boxes, one will be here. Just have to press on that cover there. Press on the clip, take this out. Okay, so here we have our fuses. These are also fuses here, and we have fuses there, and obviously quite a few relays. Now if you're trying to find a particular fuse, something like, I don't know, the horn will be fuse number 18, 10 amps, and then you check your list here. So fuse number 18 is that one there. So this diagram, the way this is drawn, is the way you look at this box here with a cut on this side. So we have the cut there. So fuse number 18 will be the 10 amp fuse there. If you wanted to check that out, then you would pull that out and check it out. There should be a little key here for pulling fuses, which seems to be missing. So it's usually a little white key or red, and you get that key, plug it in there and pull the fuse out. If you haven't got the key, you can also maybe use something like some nose pliers, like these ones here. So that's a horn fuse, so I don't mind pulling that out. Then you can have a look at that. Now if the fuse was blown, the little filament inside would be broken, basically. The little thing that we see inside there would be broken. So then you can change it and just refit that back in there. And so that applies to really everything here. Any fuse that you're looking for, then you will look in the list and then locate it and change it. So that's the primary engine compartment, and the other one is this one here. And that's the fuse they're referring to, 100 amp or 150 amp fuse. that protects the battery. So we can put this back in here, and we can move on to having a look at the fuses inside of the car. So driver's side, under the dash, we will find some fuses. Again, you will need to refer to this diagram to find what you're looking for, and that would be the list of those fuses there. And then we have the passenger side interior fuse box, and we'll have a look at that as well. And there's only a few fuses in there, 1 to 6. This is what they cover: audio, amp, radio, and so on. So we're gonna have a look at these two now. Let's check the ones in the passenger side. So passenger side, down here to the left hand side, it's the fuses there, 1 to 6. Now the diagram is showing a left-hand drive car, so the passenger side would be on the other side, but here in the UK we have this is a right-hand drive, so the passenger side is this side, and that's where those fuses are. And now we can have a look at the ones in the driver's side. So let's have a look at that. And under the dash here, you will find those fuses. So again, if you're concerned about a particular thing, then you look at the manual and then identify the fuse. And that's pretty much, really. Those are all the fuse boxes in this car. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.